Hello, here's your assignment for Thursday, November 12th. The target is, I can use subtraction to figure out division. So we're going to talk about subtracting groups to solve division problems. This page here is your homework, which you should do last. For now, get out a notebook and write this down, 20 divided by 6. Pause the video to get your notebook and your pencil ready. Okay, I am assuming you're ready now. Please do not watch this video without writing and drawing all these pictures. So you should have written 20 divided by 6 equals. I wrote a 6 right here, and I started by making six circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 because I want groups of 6, but I need 20. So that's not 20 yet. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make sure that you're drawing this along with me. So that was 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to stop there because I only want to do 20. So now we're going to take away groups of 6, because that is what 20 divided by 6 means, is how many groups of 6 can I make? We also talked about teams. How, if all these dots were kids, how many teams of 6 can I make? So I'm going to start with 20. And if I take away one group of 6, one group of 6 is 6. So if we took one group of 6, that's 6. I'm going to take that 6 away from the 20. So that is one group of 6. So now that I took that 6 away, I have 14 left. And I could just keep taking, I could take one more group of 6, but it looks like I could easily take 2 more groups of 6. So I think now I'm going to do 2 more groups of 6. 2 groups of 6 equals 12. I'll take that away, and I have 2 left. So now I have taken away a total of 1 group of 6, 2 more groups of 6. That's 3 groups of 6. We can also see that that was 1, 2, 3 groups of 6 gone. And those 3 groups of 6 means my answer to this problem is 3. I took away 3 groups of 6. Now I still have this 2 left over. The 2 left over are the remainder. So when there's some that don't get to be in a group, we can say remainder, and in this case 2. So remaining, there's 2 remaining that didn't get to be in a group. So 3 groups, that's 1, 2, 3 groups of 6, and then remainder 2. So 3 remainder 2 is your answer. Let's do 1. Okay, 49 divided by 8. That means we want to know how many groups of 8 we can get out of 49. So I'm going to put an 8 over here to remind me I'm looking for groups of 8. And I'm going to start drawing an array that is 8 across, because I want groups of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Pause the video if you're behind, but make sure you're drawing all of this. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Okay, so now I've got 49, and I want to know how many groups of 8 I can take away. I could just take away one group of 8 at a time, but that's a lot more subtracting. Maybe I should do more than one group at a time. Let's see, I know my doubles facts. I know 2 groups of 8 is 16. So I could take away 16, and I'm taking away 16 because that's 2 groups of 8. And let's see, I get 33. And now I could do 2 more groups, But I also notice that I can do 1, 2, 3, actually 4 more groups of 8. And 4 groups of 8 is twice as big as 2 groups of 8. And I could also use a multiplication chart to know that 4 groups of 8 equals 32. So I can take away 32 from those circles that are left. 32 because 4 groups of 8 equals 32. And then I just have 1 left over, and that is that 1 circle that got left. So altogether I had 2 groups and 4 groups. That's 6 groups of 8 with a remainder of 1. 1 was left over. That's this 1 was left after I took away as many full groups or teams of 8. I could only make 6 full teams, and 1 was left waiting, didn't get to join a group. So the answer to 49 divided by 8 is 6, remainder 1. So your homework is to solve 30 divided by 4 on your own sheet of paper. You should draw this array just like it's drawn. You should do the subtraction just like I showed in the video. And then you should share your thinking with your teacher. Okay, there you go. Now you know how you can use subtraction to figure out a division problem.